Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I recently purchased some lithium ion batteries, replacement batteries for my Ryobi drill, and sort of agonized over whether I should just buy batteries or buy a whole new drill set. But I opted for the batteries in this case. These are 18-volt batteries. And again, they're lithium ion batteries of 4 amp hours. And I had purchased this battery pack here. And I believe it is OEM equipment. But you never know these days because I think a lot of people, what they're doing is they're buying these packs in bulk and troubleshooting them and replacing bad cells. So there might be a couple of bad cells, but the remaining cells are still have some wear on them, so they don't have the same battery life that new batteries would have. And there's a wide range of prices on Amazon. These here were, I think, $124, and it was like $22, $22.50 for the charger. So I found out you can take a lithium ion battery, it's 18 volts, and it's interchangeable with this. This is not a lithium ion. But you can't use the old charger. You have to buy a charger for lithium-ion batteries. So I was just looking. Now, in this case, I went, it's an old drill, but there's nothing wrong with it. But the thing is, with my decision, I actually have this Ryobi cordless saw too. And that's why I decided just to go with the batteries. I was just looking, you can get, there's a replacement battery for this DeWalt it was like $99, I think, or $107, and now it's $115. You can get a set, you can get another drill and a battery and a charger. I think it's a lithium ion for $99. So let's open this up here. So I got 2 batteries that I can have always one charging. I was reading the reviews, and a lot of people, they would buy these batteries that seem like a good deal, or even sets. And if you look in the comments, they're saying it's not the same set you would get like if you purchased it from Home Depot. So I think in the future, if I was to buy a new drill, I'm not going to buy it off of Amazon. So let me get this out of the plastic. Yeah, so this is definitely heavier than the lithium ion. And this is not in retail packaging. So I was wondering about this, how this ends up. Who knows? Maybe a bad drill, but they parted out. Chargers, well, they repaired a charger. So here's the charger. Now the thing is, they do have double chargers, I believe, or you could have 2 singles. But if DeWalt has, well, I could opt for a lithium ion new drill with a battery, and then always have that. And in the future, I might just break this open because it has its screws. It's not sealed, glued together, and find the bad cell on that. But yeah, these might have, I don't know if they have a charge on them. So it does click in, and there's no charge. I guess you would want it to have no charge on it. So let me plug this in, and wow, it's kind of loose in there. Guess that's the way it's supposed to be. A lot of play in that. I think that has to make contact. Oh. All right, so this, I was wondering, there's a lot of play in there, but it does have to snap in because there's two contacts here, and then there's a contact here. Or not a contact, but it could be. I'm not certain if that's just mechanical. So let me plug this in and get a charge on this. Yeah, that's why I opted for the batteries, is because I had the saw too. So it's hard to, to take, I see on eBay people are selling them used, so that has some value. I think I made the mistake with the DeWalt that I dropped off the battery pack at Home Depot recycling, when I could have used the shell and maybe investigated purchasing some replacement batteries. So these batteries have 4 LEDs, and it shows you the second one is blinking, and then it will become solid on, and then the third one will start blinking, and then it'll become solid, and then the fourth. So that shows you the progress. So blinking light on the charger also. And then there's another light that shows when it is charged. So let's see if just this brief time here, get anything going on. Well, that's disheartening. I hope. Okay. All right. So I think it just wasn't making contact. Or they're just a little dirty. So it does work. And I'm back in business again. Should work on this one. This has been a while too. All right. So those are some of your options. You can still use your 18-volt drills with a lithium-ion pack, as long as it's the same voltage, but you cannot use the old charger. You need to use a charger specifically for the lithium-ion battery. And there's a range of prices out there, so sometimes it looks like it's economical just to go ahead and buy a whole new drill. But if you get them from Amazon, you don't know if you're getting refurbished or what the story is. I think I'd rather just get them from Home Depot, and if I had a problem, they've got no problem just accepting returns, I think. So, hope you found this information helpful. And please leave a comment, like, or dislike, and subscribe if you'd like. And thanks for watching.